What features should be mentioned about COREBOX 12V battery charger 15A? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features: high-speed 12V/15A charging and multi-battery compatibility. COREBOX battery charger compatible with 0 to 15A, including 1, 1.75, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12A, and delivers faster charging than those battery chargers automobile 12V. COREBOX Trickle charger for car battery 12V equipped with a 9-stage rapid charging system. Safely charges and repairs, or as battery desalator for lead-acid, lithium iron phosphate battery charger, including AGM, GEL, SLA, flooded types for vehicle, automotive, marine, boats, truck. Intelligent 9-stage charging with auto maintenance. COREBOX lithium battery charger upgraded 9-stage process, including bulk, absorption, and float modes, ensures efficient charging while preventing overcharge. COREBOX car battery charger automatically switches to trickle/float mode post full charge, maintaining optimal battery levels during long-term storage, example winter seasons or holidays. This smart battery charger portable is ideal for preserving battery health over months of inactivity. Clear LCD display and holiday-ready value. The lawnmower battery charger and 12V car battery features a large color LED screen that displays real-time metrics. Charging voltage, 12V, current, 0 to 15A, internal temperature, degree F or degree C, charge percentage, and seasonal modes, summer, winter. Includes a 7 feet heavy-duty cable for flexible placement in garages or workshops. Perfect holiday gift, Christmas gift, New Year gift, Father's Day gift. Compact design stores easily in glove boxes for emergencies. Comprehensive safety protections. COREBOX portable battery charger, lithium battery charger, motorcycle car battery tester, built with fireproof materials and multi-layer safeguards. Temperature compensation, hot/cold climates, power off protection, overvoltage/current/load prevention, short circuit control, fire protection, anti-reverse connection protection, overheat protection. Ensures 24/7 safe operation across diverse environments. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.